Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't trying to pressure her. She messed with the temperature.
Yo, what's up guys? What's up selalunya? Balik lagi semua Bang Alik di Siko yang selalu menghibur kawan-kawan, insyaAllah. Okay, kali ko Bang Alik ni menyambung game perang-perang ya. Sedang membara-bara na jiwa di dada Bang Alik ya. Sedang memakik na darah di badan Bang Alik tu ya nak. Teragak na Bang Alik perang ini main game tu, bukan perang sebenarnya. Okay, patang awak sampai mayu sampai menolong si Perez. Okay, kita continue. Patang awak pengalaman si Perez, tapi dia nak jawab ulangnya. Mudah-mudahan tak. Buat kawan-kawan sadunyo, buat kabarnya. Sebentar lewat ke pasu nak. Lah minta maaf ke lu sana, ke kawan-kawan, ke orang sekitar rumah. Minta maaf lu. Ya pasunyo makin kusuk. Pasu kusuk pak selalu tu. Ya pasunyo diterima enak.
They'll shoot fires if they know we're coming. So let's make sure they
Wah, ye jauh lah lai. Tidak. Sorry. Okay.
Location confirmed.
Lari.
4 plus the VIP. Stack up. We'll go in fast. Check your target.
Ready? Okay, ready.
¡El enemigo ataca! You sons of bitches!
Overlord, Hunter, we have the package.
Kami mempunyai paket ni. Okay.
Took damage. She's airborne, but we can't risk the
You
burn
call this
again.
a rescue?
The alternate LZ is too hot. We'll have to go contingency.
Kau mau aku si Perez ko
We're
ya.
headed back downhill.
Buat pulang. Kau balik nak.
Hold here.
Boleh banyak orang
Give
ni.
me a weapon! I can fight!
We don't need you getting shot again, sir.
Kau tak tembak orang sipil ko, orang warga sipil ko ai.
Let's go.
Orang menggalir lepas sah. Lepas sah.
Keep fire on them! This is it! I'm going to die!
Mantap. Nampak orang ni. Weh, dah nampak dah. Nampak kan tembak aku. Move. Pas itu, kanan aku. Wih, ikut tembak ranjit mah.
Keep moving, come on! Move it, come on!
Kawan ni tak ada yang tembak dia. Tenang lah suruh. Terangan suruh balik dia. Weh, orang. Orang. Oh. Bubar pasal gara-gara baju ayat ini nak. Tembak tu lah. Air. Yeah. Cover away. Tak ada orang sipil kan ni rekan. Awas. Oh, tergiliang berjago. Okey.
don't believe it. You got me out.
Bang Ali hebat mah. 62 skor awaknya. 62/100. Remedi wah. Standar 70 65. Buat lebih nilai 62 ya. Bisa ulang lagi aku. Remedi wak sana.
It's a big rig, that's all I'm saying.
She got that 6.7 liter V8, so I mean,
Woi,
I figure she's the better deal.
30. Live on a base, not a ranch.
That should work.
You don't need that 6.7.
Just saying, man, she's the better deal.
Try it now.
How's that?
We need to get spun up ASAP.
How long's the team need?
Prep? About 30 seconds.
Bisa Ngilang maju lah.
Just got the green light, people. Let's get it together. 30. Douse that. Pepper. Kozak.
So they actually got those working. Not bad.
Hey, well, the tech works great.
Skip. Like biasa nang
The man you brought in, Paez, coughed.
cepik lah. Tak perlu strategi dah. Strategi dah tak perlu dah lah. Pak main langsung saja. Okey. Beko kalau dia ancang-ancang mau nak jadi nak. Tuk skor. Beko dia rencanakan sesuatu yang dia rencanakan tu kadang-kadang nak jadi. Kau main langsung je. Tak kejut imam gua. Okey. 5 kini go Afrika, Zimbabwe, New Zealand. Kampung Zago. Afrika. Para caminhão. Berhenti talu. Mundur. Ada.
Venha, vamos dar passeio. Vão vocês, vou descansar pouco. Não demore, sai da estrada. Não te preocupa, irmãzinha. Eu vou te cuidar.
Kau jauh ke sana ke cewek mana? Mentang-mentang punya senjata
Para de chorar. Não
senjata
chores.
Wah, kau awak kau. Tu Bang Ali tu.
Ei, tenha calma.
Main perkosa awak aku. Weh, nak lama orang dah.
Malandra.
Say the word, Captain. Quietly.
Setia. Tu orang. Dia jahit juga cewek.
Overlord, hunters in position. Ready to
Wah,
move.
baju ah.
Copy that. Primary objective is to locate and secure Makaba's latest weapon shipment.
Dia nampak Bang Ali ah.
Secondary, his suppliers are our main interest.
Copy. Hunter out.
Untuk sekolah.
Lead moving. One hostile has got us on
Ayai,
rifle.
mantap ah.
By the well.
Oh, sini nak. Okey.
Add 2 more hostiles. They're straight ahead.
Asyik. Ada orang.
Camo activated.
Okey.
There's another hostile. Over by that wreck.
Mas sensor ni. Sensor.
Deploying sensor.
Add 1 hostile. Dead ahead.
Tu orang. Okey, awak suruh kawan nak ya.
Second target. Marking target 3. On you. Standing by.
You're gonna get spotted. Careful. Go.
Mantap. Jangan sampai orang sipil ya. Jangan sampai warga sipil kan ya.
His history.
Nampak ada orang belakang celai geruk.
On me.
Wah, Abang Alik Bisa Ngilang ah. Je.
Down, down. Do not engage. They tear us up out here.
Oh,
Activate camo.
Hostile contact 12 o'clock.
Light vehicle.
Keep your heads down. Prone and crawl.
buat dah biar orang bawanya.
Hostiles have a light vehicle.
All right. We should be good.
Eyes on a light truck. Right ahead. Negative.
Tak besar. Abang Alik lah. Kalau PUBG je ikut ada yuk. Tak, PUBG bisa Milang Delco kan? Ha? Nak nampak adik lawan dia kan? Ha? Okay, nasik nak. Okay, langsung aja.
One hostile with an assault rifle. And what are they doing?
Duduk lihat.
Pulling guard duty.
Sensor.
There's one more. 9 o'clock. Hostile down. There's another one.
Reload.
On the right. Sensor deployed. 30, move position. There's another one.
Tebus sisi.
12 o'clock. You're gonna get spotted.
Ketahuan nak.
Target down. Two more hostiles.
Ajar.
12 o'clock! Reloading! Precisamos apoio aqui!
Mati lo meleset. Hey. Jauh lo lawan nak. Ada.
Hunter, this is Overlord. What's your status?
Overlord, Hunter's in position. Ready to move on your go.
Copy that.
Jauh ulangnya lah.
Locate and secure Macaba's latest weapon shipment.
And Macabre?
Secondary, his suppliers are our main interest.
Copy. Hunter out. Hostile rifle. Look, there by the well. There's another 4 of them. Up ahead.
1,
Mark
2,
2. Target
3.
3. That's 4.
Okay.
Ready. On your shot.
Pikul lah terbalik tembak.
Holding for your
Balik
shot.
tengah dia tembak. Cepet lah. Cik lagi.
On your shot.
Clear. Mantap sekali.
We need to get eyes
Langsung
on that.
aja.
See what we're dealing with. On me.
Kita akan memburu Macaba.
Camo's active.
Macaba aku komandan dari pemberontak aku ya.
Not engage. They tear us up out here.
Right in front of us.
Tak nampak
They
Bang
got a
Alik
light
ni lah.
truck here.
Keep your heads down. Prone and crawl.
Eyes on 2 more. Dead ahead.
Negative. All right. We should be good.
Wah nak tembaknya.
2
Tengok
marked.
dia gede tu.
Negative. Got another one here. Next to that car.
Doing 1.
Standing guard.
His history. There's another hostile. Where is he? 3 o'clock.
Careful. They're looking your way.
Got eyes on that
Kam.
one. Ahead of us.
Aneh je dah.
They see us! Moving,
Tahu nak dia
cover!
sana.
Hostiles moving! Center! 12 o'clock! Frag out! I'll keep them pinned!
Okay, bom lah. Bom. Mati lo dia. Bala cara kau. Padahal awak pakai baju rancak. Bang Alik noob mah. Agak noob Bang Alik. Nah, ya. Pulang Alik. Astagfirullah.
Ready to move on your go.
Copy that. Primary objective is to locate and secure Makaba's latest weapon shipment.
And Makaba?
Secondary, his suppliers are our main interest.
Copy. Hunter out.
I've got eyes on 2 more. Dead ahead.
Mati cik lu. Ini banyak.
There's another one.
1, 2, 3, 4. Bang Alik kau lah.
Holding for your shot.
Kau jatah Bang Alik kau yo.
There's on you. Ready. Open fire.
Open fire. Okay. Langsung lari lagi.
Get eyes on that camp. See what we're dealing with. On me.
Kemana dia? Siku ya.
Down. Do not engage. They tear us up out here.
Tuh, bisa Minang balik lah.
Hostiles, check your right.
Oh.
Keep your heads down. Prone and crawl.
The idea, go on!
Kau nak
Light vehicle!
All right. They're on the move. I got a ping. Move to cover.
Hostile, 9 o'clock! Near the car! Rifleman! Hostile down!
On the move.
9 o'clock, watch 9!
Wow, wow.
Look out, Fred! Keep hitting them! They're toast!
Tunggu dulu. Oh, belum latih dah.
Got one!
Sensor out mana?
Sensor out! Get ahead! All right, boys! $12.
Okey, aku lah. Sniper lah.
I'm reloading!
Yalah.
Drop them! We broke them! Let's roll them
Bukan
up!
nembak awaknya mati.
Contact, get ahead!
Cek kau. Tak
Moving
tinggal.
position! Straight ahead! Suppressing! Blowing sensor!
Sensor.
Straight ahead! Hostile down! Frag out! Copy, frag going out!
Mati satu.
Hostile down! Sensors up! Ahead! Target down! Copy! Got it!
Balik nampak bom sini. Kurang pula
That's
mati.
the last of them.
I don't have any more.
Tambah buat lu. Bomak lu. Bomak ini kau. Ngumpul di sini, okey.
That's one big camp.
No way we find Makaba and all that without help.
Wai Makaba.
30. We go into that mess blind, we lose them for sure.
Makaba tu bak kisah balik tadi tu nyo komandan dari pemberontak di Siko ya, di Afrika. Jadi awak menangkuknya.
It's a powder keg down there, gentlemen. Humanitarian crisis doesn't even begin to cover it. Makaba's thugs control everything. Food, water, medical supplies. And what they can't control through possession, they control by fear. There we go. That's our man. Once you're inside, track him down, and he should lead you to the shipment. Makaba controls everything, one way or another. Everything begins and ends with Makaba. He's your top priority in there.
Roger, Overlord. What's the ETA on our ride?
Your contact's already on site. He'll have to keep a low profile. Just try not to draw any attention to him. He's putting a lot on the line to get us in.
Copy that. Hunter's moving to rally.
Okay.
Sir? Yeah, I see him. We're gonna have to take him out.
Nah.
Yeah. We'll have to do it
Sampai Siko
clean.
selalu lu.
Line him up. Hold fire until we're all on
Kira-kira
target.
buat ayo. Misi Bang Alik kau sukses nak besok ya. Menangkuk si Macabah. macam apa komandan pemberontak. Natunya sadi awak lah mati 2 kali. Jadi bisa misi aku bisa tindak aku. Soalnya enggak payah stay. Payah balik stay. Kalau main PUBG kan main dah biasanya. Tak ada misi tu. Iko harus maupun warga, melindungi warga sipil. Pokoknya harus mengamankan lah. Kalau PUBG kan main dah biasa, main tembak. Okey. Untuk kawan-kawan yang masih setia sama Bang Alik terima kasih. Untuk subscriber Bang Alik yang masih setia, yang masih ada, terima kasih. Untuk yang masih nonton, terima kasih. Pokoknya makasih lah dari Bang Alik dulu gini yo. Oh yo, di orang masuk pasu Bang Alik minta maaf. Kalau ada salah dan janggal Bang Alik minta maaf. Kalau ada pernah salah-salah sabui, salah-salah kecil, salah tingkah, Bang Alik minta maaf. Mohon maaf dari batin. Semoga puasa tahun ini go lebih indah, tak? Lebih lebih khusyuk ibadah kan, sempurna ibadah kan. Okey. Support selalu Minang Gaming siapapun, support YouTuber gaming, YouTuber Minang siapapun, okey. Yang penting Bang Alik. Cik Bang Alik go, okey. Salam gaming.